Hey everyone, I'm Jay, host of Headies, and today I'm excited to share how you can support the show, get exclusive perks, and maybe even grow alongside us. So whether you're here to learn, grow, or just enjoy the ride, there's a membership tier for you. So we've got three simple options to support the channel and to get involved. $1 a month is a support tier. This tier is for anyone who loves the show and wants to help us keep the content creation going. Every dollar counts, and your support means the world to us. $2 a month gets you the personal help tier. Not only do you support the channel, but you also get personal grow help from me and the Grow group. We'll be doing it on YouTube, and I have a Facebook group, the Facebook Exploring the Growing Universe, and I have a Discord channel. And on that channel, there's a special page for the paid members. And whether it's troubleshooting your grow, planning your setup, improving your techniques, I'll be there to help you in your grow journey. And then there's a $10 tier called the Testers Club. And it's for our most passionate fans. It's our most exclusive tier. This tier includes everything from the first two tiers. You support the channel, you get the grow help, but you also get access to our email updates and behind the scenes content. We'll occasionally send out souvenirs from the show. So let's say maybe every once in a while we'll give out stuff that the companies are sending us to give out, or maybe we'll have some extra beans. Maybe we'll combine stuff. That's going to happen two or three times a year. We'll cross like jelly donuts and Oda 1 Kenobi number 50, and we'll send out those beans to the Tester Club. So you can grow along with us, grow the same genetics, and get free beans basically, for the same cost as getting the grow help and supporting the channel, and then you get free beans. As part of our growing community, I want to share what happens behind the scenes. Recently, we've been working on some amazing breeding projects. Our first round of seeds, called Buzzy Stash, includes 3 exciting crosses that are currently in testing. I'll reveal more about these genetics in an upcoming video, so stay tuned. These seeds and others like them are complimentary gift we occasionally send out to our members in the Testers Club as a thank you for their incredible support. 3 strains we're working on now that are testing to see how the crosses come out: SoCal Master and Kush crossed with Goosebumps X and Bubblegum Runts. The next cross is Arctic Delight times Oreo, and then there's Bubblegum Runts with times Bucking Runts. So we might send out seeds from all 3 of those, or we might send out seeds from just the best one. Me and Buzzy are still working on that. So why join the Headies community? When you join the exclusive memberships, or even the non-exclusive ones, when you just contribute to the show, you're supporting the show and you're helping us create better content. So I need to put $10 a month in, let's say, for Adobe Rush, and then there's AI tools I can invest in. I need a microphone. So your money just goes to support the channel, to make better videos, and keep everything going, keep the lights on. Otherwise the plants won't grow. As a legal disclaimer, souvenirs such as seeds are provided only in jurisdictions where they are permitted and are intended for novelty purposes. These seeds contain less than 0.3% THC by dry weight and comply with federal guidelines. Recipients are responsible for adhering to the local laws. So become a member today. It's easy. Choose a membership tier that fits your need. Enjoy the perks for personalized advice and exclusive souvenirs, and grow with us. Join along, join the community, share your grows. It'll be a lot of fun. Thank you for supporting the Headies channel, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Leave your questions or comments on your favorite strains. Let's grow together, and I hope to see you guys in the next video. Peace.